Inside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chasers.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back. A little package came in today, and about to open this thing up, see what's in it. I did have another package to show the other day, which was my O2 wideband sensor. So I'm just waiting for another piece of connector part or whatnot. Yeah, baby. What's wrong? Okay, so after helping my daughter do whatever it is she wanted to do, here is the package. I done already just cut it open, haven't looked inside. So let's get this on the way. We can see what we got in here. And here we go. What was I at? I can already see this is the pressure plate. I'm gonna say this is a throwout burn. Yep, throwout burn. Box a little ripped, but okay. That's in a sealed package. Oh, excuse me. Pressure plate. It's looking real good. Ooh, got stickers. Yeah. All right, cool. Let me move on. So, pressure plate. I'm pretty sure the clutch is in that box underneath. Could be wrong. And good old flywheel. Give me 1 second. That's nice. Yeah, that's a 9-pound flywheel. Get that all cleaned up before I install it. And where's my knife? Pressure plate, throwout burn, pallet burn, clutch tool. Feels good. They're great packaging. Full putt clutch. Looking real nice. So my items are now here. I think I got something in the mailbox. It might be that connector part that I was waiting for the wideband sensor. All right, stay tuned, guys. Hopefully I can get you a little bit more footage this time.